everybody, welcome back to the channel. Like we always do, I like to introduce things to you guys that we've tested that really work, things that we like, things that, you know, are worth the money. So if you guys haven't heard of us talking about this, this is the Nilfisk Dryft. So what this is, in essence, is a micro scrubber, but it's a little more than that. It's also something that your crews can use on a daily mop, picks up spills. It's very versatile. And it's surprisingly simple to maintain and operate, right? So what do I need? So the components: soil tank, clean tank. In my clean tank, I just open the little spout, fill it with neutral cleaner, and close it. Pretty simple. As far as the machine itself, it'll come with a battery similar to this. And the best part that I like is the head. When you look at the head, a lot of times what breaks for us are the little turn knobs, stuff like that, especially something as delicate as this. It's a simple magnet. When I go to clean it, I just wash it under water, scrub it, and put it back. When it gets to the point where it's not, you know, aggressive enough, I just buy another one, and it's strictly magnetic. So there's nothing I have to, you know, tighten up that can break. Let's look at the squeegee now. The squeegee can come off really simply also. Two little knobs. When you go to clean it, you're just putting a towel in there, cleaning that area, and it'll go right back on. Slides right back into the, turn it, put it on there. It has a little kickstand that will have it stand on its own. Your clean goes on the back side. This is where some people kind of miss it. That silver hook connects onto this black hook. To make it work properly, you got to put it in, and then again, it's magnetized at the top. It's not just holding there, there's magnets that will hold it in. And your soil tank for your dirty water simply slides into the front, and you're ready to go. So let's take this off the table and let's take it for a spin. When I go to put this in, it's very handy. Battery light will tell the end user, okay, there is battery charge on this. Battery pushes in. There's a couple selections that you have here. Power on, that's for a flat floor. When you see the line, that means their floor is flat. VCT, concrete, something like that. When we get into LVT, our floor is a little more crooked, right? It's not completely flat. It's got ridges, it's got hills and valleys. And then in here, we can set it at different speeds. If I want that to just have water, I want it to have vacuum and water. Then you have amount of water you can put down if you think I'm putting too much down. And then this is your agitation. For us, I'll kick the water down a little bit because my floor is pretty flat. Now I want to show you how to use it. Hand on the top, this hand stays stable and the bottom hand moves. So just like we mop a floor where we're going box it in, you can use the same method. All your edges. You notice my top hand is staying stable. I'm keeping it pretty much on top of me. Now I get a lot of like, well, what about if I wanted to bring this next to or underneath something? They've already thought about that. If you look at here, I can get this right next to the wall. I can dip it underneath a baseboard, and it will go right in the corner. Now let's say you have somebody like, well, I'm not good at the back and forth method. You can use this just like a regular auto scrubber. Walk it up, turn it back, walk it down, and it'll work just like a regular auto scrubber that you would have, like a big walk behind. Let's take you into a restroom and show you what if I go and we need to get underneath a toilet. So now we're here in a bathroom. So if you've ever had to use an auto scrubber in a bathroom, it's nearly impossible. You can't turn it around, you can't next to toilets. So let me show you what the Dryft can do that your regular auto scrubber can't do. So same thing, I'm gonna turn it on, flat floor. If I'm coming into my restroom area, first of all, I can get right next to my baseboard. I can almost get all the way back behind the toilet. I can get in this side area here, if that wasn't there. So like, let's say I decide, well, you know what, that's not wet enough. I can add more water. I can add more suction. And you notice it's not leaving my floor soaking wet. I can get way deep inside. If you look at this, I can get in beside. Then as I turn it off, you notice it stays on for a little bit, which allows me to pick up any water. But I know what everybody wants to see is, well, how dirty is our water? So let's go take a look at that right here. We'll empty it into this sink. This is a great piece of machinery to add to your cleaning processes. It will aid you immensely on your floor care. This machine's intended for a commercial environment. However, we have used it in houses and it works great. So if you're looking to add something to your cleaning process that actually cleans floors and not just mops them, this is a great investment into your business. Thanks again. If you want to learn more, go to OctoClean Media.